Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't, like and share. Let me show you how to change color in Photoshop. First, duplicate your photo. Select the area you want to change color using Quick Selection tool. Let me speed this up. After selecting your subject, right-click and select Feather. Make it 3 and hit OK. Go to Adjustment Layers and select Hue/Saturation. Click this and pick the color you need. Now start adjusting to your desired color. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.